Okay, you ready for this?
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh, I've got a really itchy head.
Really?
Yes. This side. No, the other.
Alright.
Okay. Ow! Fucker. How did it hurt?
You in there?
No, this one. You need to tighten. Okay?
Okay, you in?
Yes.
Okay, that looks really tough shit. Right,
Okay,
okay.
it's fine, just go.
2 minutes. Yep.
Okay.
Time starts now.
Okay, cool.
You nearly got in there.
Yep, almost completely out.
Go now, I'll see you later.
Okay, can you wait for me, please? For fuck's sake.
Lily? Lil? What is this? I suppose you're getting a bit thirsty then. I'll just give you a...
Oh, sorry, shit, I didn't realise you were entertaining. What the fuck are you doing to that skeleton? This is very, very perverted, Thomas.